Oh, sige, trial. Touch the color blue. Touch the color yellow. Touch the color orange. So, ganon. So, para mas maging challenging, i-mix na lang natin. Touch the color and do not touch the color. I-mix na lang natin. Okay. Mag-i-start na tayo, guys. So, yung magiging premyo dito, vanity kit. Okay. Surprise. Final. Trial ulit, Trial ulit. Touch the color blue. And touch the color yellow. Untouch. Ayan ang challenge dito. Out. Magkamaling out. Untouch. Touch. No touch. Ano lang? Untouch or... Touch and untouch. Okay. We will start. Final. Touch the color blue. Touch the color yellow. And touch the color blue. Okay. Next. Touch the color green. And touch the color orange. And touch the color blue. Ayan, may bantay tayo, ha? May mga bantay tayo, guys. So, okay. Touch the color green. Ganito na. Luwag. Ubog. Okay. Touch the color red. Touch the color orange. And touch the blue. Wala. Touch the color blue. Touch the color green. Touch the color yellow. Touch the color orange. And touch the red. And touch the color green. And Game. Touch the color green. Touch the color blue. Touch the color yellow. And touch the yellow. Okay, next.
Uy, excuse muna kayo. Ikot.
Change position. Touch the color yellow. Touch the color blue. Touch the color green. Touch the color orange. And touch the color red. Okay, ulit. Touch the yellow. Nabubulol na ako. Untouch the color blue. Untouch the color green. Untouch the color yellow. Touch the color yellow. Touch the color green. Touch the color green. Touch the color yellow. Untouch the color yellow. Touch the color blue. Touch the color orange. Ilan na lang player natin? 7. Oh. So, seven players na tayo. Maluwag na yan. So, magiging dalawa na yung kamay. Mas challenging na. Para mabilis. Dalawang kamay. For example, untouch the color yellow. Magkabilaan. One, two, three, go. Touch the color blue. Ikot, ikot! Luwag-luwag! Luwag-luwag! Okay. One. Touch the color green. Touch the color blue. Touch the color yellow. And touch the color blue. Ayan lang. Tama. Ayan ang big winner natin tatlo. Laban.
Go.
So since 3 player tayo, babawasan na natin yung color. Okay, 4. Sorry. 4. Shake your 2 hands, guys. So touch the color green, touch the color blue, and touch the color blue, and touch the color yellow. And touch naman. So touch the color blue, touch the color orange, touch the color pink. Blue, yellow, orange, blue, orange, green.
Practice!
Practice. So, ganun yun. As long as na hindi nyo hahawak. Orange!
Napalitan!
Okay, tanggal na isa. Tatlo na lang tayo, guys. Tatlo na lang.
Matirang matibay!
Serious na ba? Wala nang practice. Shake hands. Shake. Blue, green, yellow, orange, blue, green. orange, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, green, blue, orange, orange, blue, pink.
Yellow, orange, orange, blue, green, orange, red, orange, red, yellow, blue.
Ang galing! Ang gagaling!
And that's green, yellow, that's blue, that's yellow, and that's green, that's blue, and that's green, that's blue, red, and that's blue, and that's green.
Yellow, blue, orange, green, blue, orange, yellow. Bakit ano?
Sige na nga, hindi na nga lang. Hindi ko na siya masundan kung ano sabi niya.
Okay, ulit. Game na. Game. Basta sa untouch ah. 1, 2, 3. Yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, green, orange, blue, green, yellow, orange, blue, green, red, blue, orange, yellow, blue,
Ang ga...
red.
Hindi, extension siya. Gini, pero ito panulo, patunayan.
Untouch pa rin.
Asa niya ang bat?
Untouch pa rin.
Oy, oy, swap kayo, swap. Oy, gusto kayo nakatalikod.
Oh, ang galing!
Gusto kayo na.
Isang-isang!
One, two, three. Yellow, blue, orange, yellow, blue, orange, green, blue, orange, yellow, blue, green, orange, yellow, blue, blue.
Change.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Blue, green, orange, yellow, blue, green, orange, yellow, blue.
Congratulations! Yay! Unbox! Sunday sulod! Unbox! Oh, yes.